Both the bell tower and the drum tower are all landmarks of Xi'an. They were built in the Hongwu reign of the Ming Dynasty and has a history of over 600 years. The bell tower is as high as 30 meters and is divided into 3 floors, each with a huge dome. The colored lights on the bell tower will light up every night, which are very beautiful. In addition to the architecture itself, the bell tower also contains rich historical and cultural heritage. A lot of local people also come here. They are very friendly and warm-hearted. If you come, you will feel it. Welcome to the bell tower.